Let's go check it out. Food, fun, finance. I don't know, I just feel like this is like a toy or something because it's so small. It's like what your daughters would have in their little tea party set, but this is what we have as an espresso. We found some tres leches, so guess what? I'm about to try it, but for some reason, I think in Dutch culture, they eat the cake first and then eat their main meal. So I think we need to follow culture rules right now. So this is a tres leches, and I also have an Oreo chocolate cake, but we have the coffee. So I think in other cultures, they eat this. So the name of this place is House of Cakes. So I'm gonna break regular tradition and eat the cake first. Oh, it opens like that. Opens like a casket because it's about to die. So food, fun, finance. We're about to follow other traditions and jump into the dessert first. Tres leches. Uh-oh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Might be something magical here. The only thing I could say about this one, I wish it was completely soaked in the milk. You know the coffee, espresso gotta be strong if it's this small. Have we ever had espresso this small before? Strong. Whew. I want to keep eating that, but I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna slide it out the way, and I'm gonna jump into this Oreo cake. I just hope when I'm done with this Oreo cake, I got some tres leches left for me. It's okay. I like the tres leches better. This is a BLT bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but they said they had added some onions to it, so we had to tell them no onions. This right here is a Johnny cake. If you've been following this channel for a minute, you will know that we've explained the differences between everybody's Johnny cake. So this one has cheese in it, so let's see how it tastes. I think this is the second best rendition of a Johnny cake. Now to the main course. So I got egg, scrambled cheese, sausage, bacon, hash browns, wheat toast, and ham and cheese. This is like a real traditional Aruban breakfast. So this place is on the way to Baby Beach. It's one of the last restaurants before this long stretch where it's not much going on out there. So there's an all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning. I bet you it'd be packed in here. It's one of those small little places on the side of the road. These are the gyms, those little moms and pop stores. And they sit on the side of the road. You see, it's real simple in here. There's actually a lot of seating on the inside and the outside. So Food Fun Finance, we are here, Aruba, the Lesser Antilles, in the Caribbean. We are at the House of Cake, because they love cake. And we've ate some real good cake here. It's amazing. So we're gonna give you the part that you've been waiting for, the review. So we're gonna tell you the environment, the customer service, the food, and then the pricing. So, environment. This is low key on the side of the road headed towards Baby Beach. So it's like, it's not in any of the tourist places or any of the places that you will be familiar with, but it's on the way to Baby Beach. So a lot of people go check out Baby Beach. So the environment is out the way. It's real subtle, real nice on the side of the road, real family-oriented establishment. So I give it a 4.5. There's AC and there's seating on the outside, but it's just like, you know, your normal establishment. So with that being said, we're gonna move into the customer service. Customer service is excellent. The only thing I seen kind of challenging was they didn't know too much English. But, you know, we was able to make things happen and work through everything. And I think we had a great experience. She catered to all of our needs, the waitress, and she did a good job. So customer service, 4.5. Next, food. So we had cakes, we had breakfast items. So we're here for breakfast, as you can see, because we had breakfast food. And we had the espresso. I really like the espresso. I really like the tres leches cake. The breakfast was pretty much normal. I like the Johnny cake, and I like the sausage. The sausage was a little bit different, but it tasted real good. So with the food, I'm gonna give the food a 4.0. So for the pricing was $58, which I think was pretty decent. We had the coffee, the Coke, orange juice, the American the American breakfast was like $17.50 by itself. So we included everything, drinks and everything. We ordered 2 tres leches. You can see the second one off camera, and the Oreo cake and the BLT and the Johnny cake. So I think that comes up. And then they automatically included the tip. I think that's something they do on the island already, where they just include the tip. Not quite sure, but this establishment did it. But we had a great time here. I really enjoyed it. I think if you're on your way to Baby Beach and it's early in the morning, I think you should stop by and check this place out. Food Fun Finance, we are out.